the federal government knew that my client was innocent and hid evidence to show that he was innocent.
These were corrupt FBI agents who dishonored their badge, as one judge said, who would do anything that they had to do, up to including murder.
This case started with a 1965 murder. FBI informant Joe Barboza lied under oath. Salvati, Lamoni, and 2 other men were sent to prison. Then in 2001, new evidence was uncovered, clearing them all. Today, the scathing fallout. A judge orders the feds to pay $101 million in damages and blast the FBI.
So I went to go see Mr. Salvati, and from the facts that he told me at the time of trial, I said, there's something wrong with this case. There was only one witness against him, was Joe the Animal Barboza, and he gave a story that just seemed plausible to me. He said, Salvati's going to be my getaway car driver. And he had Salvati wearing 3 disguises. Now, the only reason why you wear disguises is because the government knows who you are, the police know you are, and they hide your identity. Yet Barboza, who was well known to all the police, he didn't wear any disguises. I needed someone in the press to take on this case with me. So I went to our dean at the law school at the time, Dean Ronald Cass, who was a good friend.
I got a call one day out of the blue. Must have been in the winter of 1993. And for me, when your law school dean calls you, it's a command performance. And I appeared somewhat reluctantly.
Well, he thought it was tapioca. He wanted to walk out of the door. But the dean was seated right in front of the door. So he stayed on for an hour with me, an hour and a half, listened to me. He did his own research.
I went on my own, without anyone's knowledge, to the Chelsea Police Department, and I found the original police report. The information in the police report showed a completely different set of killers. I became convinced the police report had not been available at trial, and that was the first moment when I felt that this guy really, really had been screwed.
You can look me in the eye and you can tell me
I'd look you in the soul and tell you.
That you knew nothing about it?
Nothing at all.
That you had in no way conspired with anyone?
I never conspired with any group of men to take a man's life. Never.
Not once I did that and I started to put the stories on TV, other people came forward.
Salvati's longtime lawyer, Victor Garo, walked Salvati out of prison in 1997 after Salvati's life sentence was commuted by then-Governor Bill Weld.
I put my reputation, my career on the line and was proven right. And I think that it is very important for lawyers, if they are being stymied within the legal courtroom, to realize there is a court of public opinion out there in which their case can be discussed.
There's no justice for that, and they can't make amends, and I miss too many good things with my family. They'll never come back.
It's very, very emotional for me because we went through 3 generations of family life.
All I hope is that it'll be remembered this, that sometimes it takes a lot of courage and a lot of fortitude to go and try to prove someone's innocence. Don't quit.